food materials and sources. We all know that a variety of ingredients are required for preparing different food items. These ingredients are obtained either from plants or animals. For example, kheer is prepared using ingredients such as milk, rice, and sugar. Milk is obtained from animals, while rice and sugar are obtained from plants. Another example is chicken curry. It is made using chicken, spices, oil, and water. Chicken is obtained from animals, while spices and oil are obtained from plants. Now let us study in detail about the sources of our food items. Sources of our food: plants. Plants provide us with food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables, and fruits. Various parts of plants, such as leaves, seeds, stems, roots, fruits, and flowers, are edible, that is, eatable. We eat a variety of vegetables, such as spinach, cabbage, fenugreek, etc. These vegetables form the leafy part of the plant. Seeds of many plants give us oil. For example, groundnut, sunflower, mustard, etc. Most of us also eat a variety of sprouted seeds. Now, with the help of an example, let us find how seeds develop sprouts. Tina is going to participate in the snack making competition. For this, she has soaked some dry seeds of chana. Tina has drained all the water, and now she is wrapping the seeds in a piece of wet cloth. Do you observe any changes in the seeds? Oh yes, small white structures have grown out of the seeds. It means that the seeds have developed sprouts. Sometimes it is possible that the chana seeds may not develop sprouts. In such a case, we need to repeat the process again, that is, wash the seeds, drain the water, wrap the seeds in the wet cloth, and set them aside. The next day, we see that the seeds have sprouted. After washing these sprouts, we can consume them directly, or by boiling them and adding some spices to prepare a tasty snack. You all must be familiar with potatoes, ginger, and turmeric. These are the stems of different plants, and they are edible. The most common part of the plant that we eat is the fruit. For example, apples, mangoes, tomatoes, etc. Similarly, we also eat the roots of some plants, such as radish, carrot, beetroot, etc. You will be amazed to know that even the flowers of some plants are edible. For example, pumpkin flowers, dipped in rice paste, and then fried, is a delicacy. Also, the nectar, that is, the sweet juice, from flowers, is collected by the bees and converted into honey. The honey is stored in the hives for their use throughout the year, as the flowers and nectar may be available only for a part of the year. Since honey has a good commercial value in the market, many people are engaged in removing the honey from the hives and selling it. There are some plants where two or more parts of the same plant are used as food. For example, the fruit and the flower of the banana plant are edible, whereas we consume the leaves and the stem of onion and garlic plants. Sources of our food: animals. Animals also provide us food items such as milk, chicken, and eggs. Milk is obtained commonly from animals such as cows, buffaloes, and goats. Some other animals which give us milk are sheep, yak, camel, etc. Milk and milk products, such as butter, cheese, cream, and curd, have a very high demand all over the world. Meat is obtained from animals like hens, goats, fish, etc. Whereas eggs are obtained from hens and ducks. Thus, we understand that plants and animals are the two main sources of our food.